Greetings, everyone. Welcome to our Principles of Project Management course. My name is Dr. Donna Karch, and I am the course author and facilitator for this course. I'd like to use this short presentation to give you a brief overview of the course. The objectives of the course are quite simple: to learn the basic principles of projects and project management, recognize and understand best practices for managing projects, to use your PM knowledge and skills to apply a basic or generic project management approach or methodology to current and future projects. The course is delivered online only and is organized into 8 units. The content in the course supports Project Management Institute's the Project Management Body of Knowledge, or the PMBOK 6th edition. And the course materials required for this course include the PMBOK 6th edition, which you need to purchase, rent, or borrow. If you're a current member of PMI, you will have access to an electronic version of the PMBOK. All other materials and active links in the course are provided for you in the course. The course includes several Microsoft project tutorials online, and we'll work through a short Microsoft project exercise in this course, so you may want to download that free trial version of Microsoft Project early in the course. The tutorials, exercise, and the software download, of course, are all optional. Each week's content features a short lecture or overview of the week's topics that we're going to cover, several reading assignments and discussions, and hands-on learning activities. Each unit also contains an end-of-unit assessment. You must achieve a score of 75% before you can move on to the next unit. You'll be able to take the exam up to 3 times. Each learning activity builds upon the final course project, which is a project management plan template that you develop for your own use, and you can use it for your projects as you complete the course. To successfully complete the course, you will have one final quiz in Unit 8, and that's a comprehensive quiz. It covers all the contents up through week 8, and you have to complete this quiz with a score of at least 80% or better to get a certificate of completion. We're going to be quite busy. We cover concepts relating to project initiation all the way through project termination and closure. In Unit 1, we provide an overview of projects and project management. In Unit 2, we'll examine the project knowledge areas and project management process groups. In Unit 3, we begin the study of the project management process as you evaluate and select and initiate a project. Then in Unit 4, it's where you go through more planning processes, and we focus on the scope, quality, and time and cost of a project. In Unit 5, we continue with the planning processes, and we look at project communications planning, planning for project risk, and developing the plan for the human project management. In Unit 6, we shift our focus over to managing the work of the project and the processes that are required to effectively monitor and control your project. We then turn to project termination and closure in Unit 7. So as you can see, we're pretty busy. And then finally in Unit 8, we wrap all this up and we apply what we've learned in the previous weeks to managing a project using a project management plan template that you created. All right. So getting started, the good place to get started, of course, is the Getting Started tab. It's pretty easy to see, and you'll find that in the left navigation menu. In this tab, you'll also find the course syllabus. Please review that and make sure you understand the course objectives and requirements to complete the course. You'll also find a link to the the participant frequently asked questions page. Please go there first if you have a question, a technical question. You'll probably find that it's been answered already. If you can't find your answer there, you're welcome to call the technical support staff, and that link is listed in the left navigation menu as well. Next, it's always a good idea to introduce yourself in these courses. It's completely optional, but we'd like to hear from you, find out what you do, where you're from, what you hope to gain from this course, and then we'll visit with each other in the course. I've provided a course discussion page or forum for this, so go there. It's on the main discussion page. And then finally, we'll start learning about projects and project management in Unit 1. So if you still have questions and they're course related, please put those in the course Q&A. I'm in the course several times a week and will answer your questions the best I can. Of course, there's not an official instructor to the course, but I do get into the course several times a week and answer your questions and direct you to the right place. So hope to see you in the course.